In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a funny meme face effect that twists the face into a spiral shape. This effect is often used in meme edits and comedy videos to exaggerate facial expressions and make the clip look more entertaining. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Twirl. Drag and drop the twirl effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. Here you'll see three main settings: angle, twirl radius, and twirl center. Start by adjusting the twirl center. Move the center point directly over the face. This tells Premiere Pro where the twisting effect should be applied. Now increase the twirl radius. This controls how large the twisting area becomes. Increase it until the distortion covers most of the face. Next, adjust the angle value. As you increase the angle, the face begins twisting into a spiral shape. The higher the angle, the more exaggerated and funny the distortion becomes. If the person moves in the clip, click the stopwatch icon next to Twirl Center to enable keyframes. Move forward on the timeline and reposition the center so it continues following the face. Play the clip and you'll see the face twisting in a funny spiral shape while the rest of the frame stays normal. And that's it. You've successfully created a funny meme face effect using the twirl effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.